Today I'm going to talk about the best Pancake Air Compressor available on the market. At number 1, Porter Cable C2002WK Pancake Compressor. If there is a need for a longer tool run time, this unit offers ample air storage with the 150 psi maximum tank pressure and 6-gallon capacity. It features a 13-piece accessory kit and factory-installed plug and air hose to eliminate leaks and reduce labor. The rubber foot pads minimize vibration of the unit during operation. It has an oil-free pump and offers excellent stability due to the pancake design. A minor issue with this compressor is the user manual that doesn't include page numbers, and this makes it challenging to read through. At number 2, Bostitch BTF-P02012 Oil-Free Compressor. This is an electric-powered air compressor that operates at a very low noise level of 80 decibels that makes it an excellent choice for use around the home. The elimination of oil dependence in the design makes it possible to avoid oil stains in the house and on the body of the compressor. Another benefit of this design is the elimination of daily maintenance. The unit has a maximum PSI of 150 and takes less than 3 minutes to reach this pressure. A significant issue with this compressor is the quality of the accessories that come with it. There may be a need to purchase a new set as they aren't very durable. At number 3, Campbell Hausfeld FP 2028 Pancake Air Compressor. Weighing below 13 pounds, this pancake design air compressor is lightweight and features a carry handle that provides excellent portability. The oil-less pump design supports long-term use without the need for frequent maintenance. This compressor features an accessory kit that includes inflator nozzles, needle, air chuck, needle adapter, and more while operating on a household current of 120 volts. Despite being available in 2 sizes, a minor downside is that this compressor doesn't offer a capacity larger than 3 gallons like others on the market.